How to unblock someone on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'll be showing you how you can unblock someone on TikTok. So in order to unblock someone on TikTok, first of all, update the application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update your application. So after updating your application, open up or log into your TikTok account. Once you're logged into your TikTok account, this is basically how it's gonna look like. In case if you've blocked someone by mistakenly, then what you need to do is, in order to unblock it, go to your profile. After that, it's gonna take you to this page. Here you'll need to tap on the tab bar icon. In the top right hand side corner, go to settings and privacy. As soon as you click on settings and privacy, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as accounts. So once you're on this page, go to privacy, and after you click on privacy, scroll down right to the bottom. Right at the bottom, you have an option as blocked accounts. If you want to unblock the person or the contact, you'll need to click on unblock. So as you can see, this particular contact has been unblocked. If you want to block this contact, go to the search bar, type in their username, that is, just type in their username. And after that, you'll need to find the contact. As you can see, this is the particular contact, and if you want to block this, tap on this arrow icon, or just tap on the share button located right on top and click on block. So click on the block button. This is how you can block someone. So this is how you can unblock someone on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.